Hey there, welcome to Algebra 1 CST release question number 34. It says, what is the equation of the line that has a slope of 4 and passes through the point 3, negative 10? So there's something called point slope form that I want to talk about here. Point slope form, very helpful when you are given a point, here's a point, and a slope. When you have those two things given to you, point slope form is generally the easiest way to go about getting your answer. And could you use slope intercept form in this case? Yes, I'm not going to show how that works here, but there is a way to do that with slope intercept form as well. Slope intercept form is I think the most used form in algebra when you're graphing lines, but point slope form is often handy as well, something that's good to know at least. So point slope form, what does it look like? It looks like this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And you might say, well, what are all these x's and y's? What is that all about? This is your first point. We call this x1 comma y1. So this is your x1, 3, and your y1, your first y point, is negative 10. So if we plug those things into the formula, we leave y and x, the plane y and x, as variables, but we plug in the values that we were given here. So this would be y minus, notice the form has a minus sign in it, so you need to subtract a negative 10. You replace y1 with what it equals. It equals negative 10. Your slope, that's your m part right here. That's right here. That's the 4. So you have 4 times x minus x1 is just positive 3. The form has a minus sign in it, so this should be x minus 3. Now if we simplify this, we have y plus 10 minus a negative becoming a positive. You distribute that 4 through, you've got 4x minus 12. Now that doesn't look like one of these yet, but very quickly it will if I subtract 10 from both sides. Notice all these have y equals by itself, and this also makes it look like what we're used to with slope intercept form now. And so changing this point slope form into slope intercept form for my final answer will give me y equals 4x minus 22. That is choice A.